Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best Yale locks you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many Yale locks and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each Yale locks, so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a Yale lock. First, think about the type of lock you need, such as a smart lock, deadbolt, or padlock, depending on your door and security needs. Next, check the security rating to ensure it meets your safety expectations and local standards. It's also important to look at the build quality and materials because durable metal locks provide better long-term protection. Consider compatibility with your door thickness and existing fittings to avoid installation issues. For smart locks, verify if the lock supports your smartphone or home automation system. Additionally, review battery life, connectivity reliability, and backup access options in case of emergencies. Finally, compare warranty coverage and customer support since these reflect product confidence. By focusing on these points, you can make a smart and secure purchase. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful guides.